Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. We're going to do a quick little video today. We're going to make a junk journal tag, and then we're going to have two drawings for our Cathy's Sewing Happiness. The first week, my winner did not contact me, so we're going to draw again from that, the comments of the acts of kindness from that first video. We're going to draw again. And then we will have this week's drawing from our second week. This is our third week of Cathy's Sewing Happiness, and another drawing will be done next Sunday out of the comments that people leave with their acts of kindness. It can be as simple as someone did an act of kindness to me. I went through a fast food restaurant line. The line was tremendously long, and the person just let me go right ahead of them. That was such a sweet act of kindness. So let's make our card right away. So I've really prepped. I've got this little card here. Isn't that beautiful? I've put a little bit of the milled lavender on it, and I've put some gathered twigs on the edge. And this is the other side in which you could journal on. I have selected this sweet little printout. I have gone ahead and I've sewn it with some pink thread around. I have a little piece of coffee dyed paper that I've inked up. I have Tim Holtz cotton tape right here, and a piece of printed cotton. I've frayed the edges, and I've sewn a little zigzag stitch on it just for a little something something. I have a cute little cutout right here that I've inked. I have this little piece of material that has print on it. Isn't that cute? I've frayed the edges, and we're going to use that as a tag. And I've gone ahead and I've inked up some of the book pages. So let's get right to it and get this applied on here. So if you have done any type of little gift of happiness or act of happiness to anyone, like you let someone in the grocery store line, or like what happened to me, you let someone go ahead of you in a very long line that people are waiting in. It really, whatever, just sewing little acts of kindness. So what you do to enter the drawing is in the comments, you just tell me a brief little explanation of what you did with no names, please. And then I will enter you in that week's drawing. And what I do with that, the winner will receive happy mail from me. And so I usually go to town on Wednesday. That's when I will place your happy mail into the mailbox at the post office. At that time, that's when it's out of my hands and it's in the post office's hands. So the way the mail is lately, sometimes things are kind of wonky. So it's going to be up to the mail after I put it in there. So it may take a little while for you to get it. It may not. It all depends on your post office and my post office and how things get delivered. But whatever, it's going to be exciting when you get it. And maybe quite a surprise. So we're just adding on, you know what? I forgot to add on can I take this back off? I'm just talking away and I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Can I get this back off? Oh, good. I can. See, when you make a mistake, you can just easily just take it right back off and do something else. And that's what we did, because I'm just jibber-jabbing away, and I am forgetting what I'm doing here. I'm supposed to be putting this book page down so that it will pop out from under, this adorable little printout that I have here. Let's put this right here. I think that's what I want. Nope, going this way. I wonder if there's enough glue on there. I need to add some more. I probably need to add some more. That's probably a really good idea, Kathy. Let's add some more glue. Get this glue on here, just like this, and then we're going to have our drawings. So you'll have a week to respond to being a winner. Like if you are drawn today, you have a week to respond to me. And you do it by just going to the description down below this video and get my email address, and then email me, and in the subject matter just put hashtag cathysowinghappiness, and give me your complete address. That's very important that you have a complete address. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine, and I'm just going to sew around the outside edge. Okay, that's looking really sweet, don't you think? So let's go ahead and let's put this coffee dyed piece here that I've gone ahead and I've put some ink on. I'm going to just put this right here, just like that. And then I'm going to get my cute little girl that I fussy cut out. And I'm going to put her right on top here, just like this. Oh, that's adorable, just adorable. Then I'm going to take this little strip of cotton that I frayed, and I'm just going to fold it end to end. And I'm going to go to the machine and I'm just going to stitch it right on there. All right, you guys, what you think? Oh, I think it turned out really sweet. And you just journal on the back. And here is my other one. Okay, let's get to the drawing. So let's do the first week redraw. This is for a redraw. So we're just going to shake it out, and we're just going to take one out just like that. And this is the winner, Princess Jewel. Princess Jewel has won the first week redraw. So I'm just going to put that right with here. So now I want to make sure that we didn't get a Princess Jewel in the last one. In week 2, there's that one. I don't need these anymore. Let me make sure there's not a Princess Jewel in here, because you can't win twice in a month. No, I don't think so. I think, nope, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. So let's shake this up. And this is for last week's. And this is for Happy Mail from me. Here we are. Anita. Anita has won week 2. So y'all go to the bottom of the video and look in the description, and you'll find my email address. And just send me an email, hashtag cathysowinghappiness, with your complete address, and I'll be so excited to send you some happy mail. Oh, you guys, check out my next video. See you soon. Bye now.